8 cars that feel like future machines. Some cars are fast, some are powerful, but then there are machines that feel like they don't belong in this era at all. Built with insane technology, unreal designs, and ideas that push beyond imagination, these are not just cars, they're a glimpse into what the future might look like. Eight. Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX. Some cars chase power, but this one chases perfection. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX feels less like a car and more like a machine designed from the future with a completely different mindset. At first glance, it doesn't look aggressive or loud, but the moment you notice its ultra-smooth shape and stretched proportions, you realize this thing is built with purpose. Every line, every curve, every detail is engineered to cut through the air with almost zero resistance. It's not trying to dominate the road, it's trying to outsmart it. Step inside, and it feels like stepping into a futuristic digital space. A massive full-width display stretches across the dashboard, while sustainable materials inspired by nature give it a completely different vibe compared to traditional luxury cars. It's calm, minimal, and incredibly advanced at the same time, producing around 201 horsepower and approximately 181 pound-feet of torque. But this car was never about raw power. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7 seconds, reaches a top speed of around 87 miles per hour, and weighs close to 3,870 pounds. Impressively light for an EV packed with this level of innovation. What truly makes it feel like a machine from the future is its insane efficiency. With a drag coefficient of just 0.17, it glides through the air effortlessly. Even the roof integrates solar panels that help power essential systems, pushing the boundaries of what an electric car can achieve. Like the car is always one step ahead of you, and while this one focuses on efficiency and intelligence, the next machine brings the future with a completely different kind of intensity. 7. Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR. What if a car could respond to you like a living being? The Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR looks like something that shouldn't even exist on today's roads. Inspired by the world of Avatar, its design is completely organic. Flowing lines, illuminated scales on the rear, and wheels that move in a way that almost looks unreal. This isn't just futuristic, it feels like a machine from another planet. The exterior alone makes it stand out, but what truly separates it is how it interacts with the driver. Step inside, and there's no traditional steering wheel. Instead, you control the car through a central controller that responds to your touch, almost like a connection between human and machine. The Vision AVTR is powered by a fully electric system, producing around 469 horsepower and approximately 516 pound-feet of torque. It delivers smooth, instant acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4 seconds, with a top speed estimated around 99 miles per hour and a weight of roughly 3,900 pounds. But raw numbers don't fully explain this machine, something that looks completely unnatural at first, but perfectly matches its futuristic identity. It uses graphene-based organic batteries, avoiding rare earth materials and pushing sustainability into a whole new direction. And just when you think cars have reached their limit, the next machine completely redefines what's possible on the road. Driving this wouldn't feel like controlling a machine. It would feel like communicating with it. Every movement, every response feels intentional, almost alive. Some machines aren't built for speed. They're built to redefine efficiency itself. 6. Lamborghini Terzo Millennio. There are fast cars, and then there are ideas that completely redefine what a car even is. The Lamborghini Terzo Millennio isn't built around today's limits. It feels like a concept that ignores everything we know about traditional performance and rebuilds it from scratch. The design alone looks unreal, glowing elements, and a stance so aggressive it almost feels like it's ready to launch. But this machine isn't just about appearance, it completely changes how performance works. Instead of relying on a single power source, it uses electric motors at each wheel, allowing power to be controlled individually with extreme precision. While official numbers were never fully confirmed, it's expected to produce well over 1,000 horsepower, delivering instant torque across all four wheels. That kind of setup could push it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, with a projected top speed beyond 217 miles per hour and an estimated weight close to 3,300 pounds, thanks to advanced lightweight materials. And then comes the part that truly feels unreal. The body itself, the Terzo Millennio, is designed with self-healing carbon fiber, meaning it can detect tiny cracks and repair them automatically. It's not just engineered to perform, it's engineered to survive and adapt. Instead of traditional batteries, it explores supercapacitors built directly into the structure of the car, allowing energy to move faster and more efficiently than anything we see in current electric vehicles. This isn't the kind of car you measure with numbers alone. It feels like a prototype for something much bigger, a direction where performance, materials, and intelligence all merge into one system. If this level of innovation impressed you, hit like, because the next machine takes things even further. 5. XPeng P7. At first glance, it looks clean and minimal, but the deeper you look, the more futuristic it starts to feel. The XPeng P7 doesn't rely on aggressive styling or extreme design to stand out. Smooth lines, a sleek profile, and a continuous light bar give it a modern, almost digital presence, like a car designed for a connected world rather than just the road. Step inside, and that feeling only gets stronger. The cabin is built around intelligence. Large displays, voice control, and an advanced driver assistance system. It feels like a smart device on wheels, constantly learning and adapting to the driver. Under the surface, the P7 packs a dual-motor electric setup, producing up to 473 horsepower and around 561 pound-feet of torque in its performance variant. That power allows it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.1 seconds, reach a top speed near 106 miles per hour, and maintain a weight of approximately 4,300 pounds. But what really defines this machine is its focus on autonomous technology. With XPeng's advanced driving system, the car can handle complex road situations and make driving feel smoother and more effortless. It's not just reacting, it's thinking ahead. Driving the P7 doesn't feel loud or aggressive. It feels controlled, intelligent, and connected, like the car is quietly working alongside you every second, keeping everything balanced between technology and simplicity. This machine proves that the future isn't always about being extreme. This is what happens when engineers forget limits and start imagining the future. 4. BYD Yangwang U8. Raw strength meets futuristic intelligence, and the result is something completely unexpected. The BYD Yangwang U8 doesn't just look powerful. It feels engineered to handle situations most vehicles wouldn't even attempt. With its bold, boxy design, sharp LED lighting, this SUV gives off a sense of control and confidence from every angle. Step inside, and the environment shifts from rugged to high-tech luxury. Multiple digital displays, premium materials, and an advanced control system make the cabin feel modern, refined, and incredibly capable at the same time. This machine is powered by a quad-motor electric system, delivering a combined output of around 1,180 horsepower and approximately 944 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power allows this massive SUV to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.6 seconds, reach a top speed near 124 miles per hour, and carry a weight of roughly 7,200 pounds. But what truly makes it feel like a future machine is its control. Each wheel operates independently, allowing the vehicle to perform tank turns, rotating on the spot, and maintain stability even in extreme conditions. It can even float on water for a short time, adding another layer of capability that feels almost unreal. Driving this wouldn't feel like handling a typical SUV. It would feel like commanding a system designed to adapt to anything in front of it. Every movement is calculated, every response is precise, no matter the terrain. This machine shows that the future of performance isn't just about speed. It's about total control in every possible situation. 3. Hyundai Envision 74. You don't expect a car to blend the past and the future this perfectly, But this one somehow does it effortlessly. Step inside, and the balance continues. The interior mixes analog-inspired elements with modern digital systems, creating a driver-focused cockpit that feels both familiar and futuristic at the same time. It's not trying to overwhelm you, it's trying to connect you to the machine. The Hyundai N-Vision 74 carries a retro-inspired design, but the moment you look closer, it becomes clear this is something far more advanced. Sharp geometric lines, pixel-style lighting, and a low-aggressive stance give it a unique identity, like a classic machine rebuilt with future technology. The N-Vision 74 uses a hydrogen fuel cell combined with a battery system, powering electric motors that produce around 670 horsepower and approximately 664 pound-feet of torque. This setup launches the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4 seconds, pushes it to a top speed of roughly 155 miles per hour, and keeps the weight close to 4,400 pounds. But what really defines this car is how it delivers that power. It's not just fast, it's controlled, balanced, and built for consistent performance. The hybrid hydrogen-electric system allows it to maintain high output without the usual limitations of traditional electric setups. Driving this wouldn't feel overwhelming. It would feel precise. Every input, every movement would feel connected, like the car is working with you rather than against you. In a world moving forward at full speed, this machine quietly proves that the future can still respect where it all began. At first glance, it looks simple, but underneath, it's incredibly advanced. And if you think that was unreal, subscribe now, because what's coming next feels even more alive. 2. Nissan Ariya. With a design that feels calm yet advanced, this is where simplicity meets the future. The Ariya offers a dual-motor E4 Orsi system in its higher trims, producing up to 389 horsepower and around 442 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.1 seconds, reach a top speed near 124 miles per hour, and carries a weight of roughly 4,800 pounds. The Nissan Ariya doesn't try to be loud or aggressive. Instead, it carries a clean, flowing design with smooth surfaces and a distinctive illuminated front grille that immediately sets it apart. It feels modern, but in a way that's subtle and refined rather than extreme. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a lounge than a traditional car interior. Flat floors, minimal buttons, and dual widescreen displays create a space that feels open, quiet, and intelligently designed. Even the controls blend into the dashboard, giving everything a seamless look. But what makes it feel futuristic isn't just the numbers, it's how smoothly everything works together. The power delivery is quiet and instant, while the intelligent all-wheel drive system keeps the ride stable and controlled in almost any condition. Driving this doesn't feel intense or overwhelming. It feels effortless, like the car is doing most of the thinking for you, allowing you to simply enjoy the experience. Wrapped in simplicity, yet filled with advanced technology, this machine shows that the future doesn't always have to be loud. Sometimes it's quietly confident and incredibly capable. 1. Faraday Future FF91. When technology becomes the main focus, cars start to feel completely different. The Faraday Future FF91 doesn't follow traditional design rules. Its long, sleek body, sharp LED lighting, and futuristic stance make it look more like a concept than something built for the road. It feels advanced in a way that's hard to ignore. Step inside, and it becomes even more clear. This isn't just a cabin, it's a digital experience. Massive screens, reclining rear seats, and AI-driven features turn it into something closer to a luxury lounge than a typical vehicle. Everything is built around comfort, intelligence, and interaction, delivering around 1,050 horsepower and approximately 1,458 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power launches it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.4 seconds, reaches a top speed near 155 miles per hour, and carries a weight of roughly 6,500 pounds. But what really sets it apart is how smart it feels. The car uses advanced AI systems that learn driver behavior, adjust settings automatically, and create a personalized driving experience every time you step inside. It's not just reacting, it's adapting. Driving this wouldn't feel raw or aggressive. It would feel smooth, effortless, and highly controlled, like the car is constantly working in the background to give you the best possible experience, completely focused on intelligence and comfort. This machine shows how the future of driving might shift from performance to experience in ways we're only just beginning to understand. So those were some of the most insane machines that truly feel ahead of their time. Now I want to know, which one impressed you the most? Drop your answer in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.